Welcome to video number 17, and in video number 17 we're going to discuss organizing our pages. And when we talk about organizing our pages, we're basically talking about how are we going to organize and make sure that everything is correct. And I, I want us to actually go look at our pages and posts, our appearance, and add the menu, and just let our site look more like a site. You know what I mean? And then a testing place. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my site, and I want you to head over to appearance. And what we're going to do is we're going to go and delete everything, and we're going to move it to our, oh, made a mistake there. We're going to take everything and we're going to move it to the trash, because we want to basically create a little website right here. And the same with our posts. I want us to oh, you know what, our posts we can leave. I think for a sample posts, that is fine. So I want to go and add a new page, and we're going to call this the actual home page. And I'm going to call it home of WordPress. And then I'm going to get some lorem ipsum, and I'm going to add our content right there. And if we go to the visual, you can see that's how it looks like in the visual. I want the first, in our visual, I'm going to add a I'm going to press enter, and I'm going to make this section bold, because this is now our home page. I'm also going to add some media right here. I'm just going to add this image. Now image is added, and I'm just going to hit publish. Now we've created a home page. The second page that I want to create is a about page, and this is where we're going to create about WordPress, about our WordPress site. I'm going to add my text, and I'm going to hit publish. Now we've got a home page and we've got a WordPress about page for WordPress. Now I'm going to create a contact page. And I'm going to leave my contact page blank. And it's very similar to what we've already done. The reason why we're redoing this is just to get into practice how to create our pages. So then we'll go to appearance, and we're going to hit menus. And we're going to put that into our menu. So this whole menu structure, we can delete this menu, because we're not going to use this anymore. We're going to create a fresh menu. So I'm going to go ahead and wait for this to delete, and I'm going to create a new menu. I'm going to call it WordPress menu. You see by default it will add pages for you. That is great, because that's exactly what we wanted, right? Now we just need to go around and space our menu items. So I'm just going to move this right to the top, move the about to the middle. There we go. So, and then I'm going to just change the names, because we don't want that. We just want home about, we just want to remove this one, and we say contact. Now our website looks more like it should be. It's a bit more like a website should look like. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to customize, and I am going to change my menu section, my navigation, to make sure that's a WordPress menu, and I'm going to hit save. Once I've done that, I'm going to close it, and I'm going to say visit site to have a look at the implementations of this. So you can see I've got home page, I've got about page, and I've got contact page, and contact page doesn't have anything on it right now. So you can currently see that we created three new sites, and we need to go and disable the comment section. That's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go to pages, and we're going to do a bulk action here. We're going to go and we're going to edit that, and we're going to say comments do not allow, and we're going to hit update, and we're going to say reload, and our comment section will be gone. So now we will go to our contact section, and this is kind of where it's getting interesting because I'm going to go and add a plugin, and I'm going to add a contact form plugin. And for this, we're going to start touching the plugin section now, and in our next videos, we'll also look into more depth into plugins. But I want to go to plugins, and we're going to go and search for a new plugin, and we're going to add a new plugin, and we're just going to call it contact form. And that is what we basically want in our contact form section. You want a contact form. So I'm going to show you how to add a contact plugin quick. So once this is installed correctly, it will show you that you know it's got their normal message, and then when we have a look at it's contact form plugin, and we're going to go to settings of this because we need to go and set up the plugin. So the user email address, yeah, we leave it to JCBCB. That means that the plugin is going to use this email address for the actual email that's getting sent. So we'll be sent to that, whatever that email is. So we're going to go to extra settings, and we're going to go and create our contact form. It says this functionality is available in the pro version of the plugin. For more information, so this people wants us to download the pro version of this plugin, which we're not going to do. We're just going to literally copy this section over here. We're going to copy that, and normally contact form with plugins has got this little section that you need to paste in the page that you wanted, and we're going to go and head over to our contact page, and we're going to say edit page. And in our text section, we're going to go and we're going to paste this code that they gave us. We're going to hit update, and if everything is successful, if and only if, it will show you the contact information. And there you go, there's your contact form. Note that there's a lot of contact form plugins out there. This is just one example, and if they tell you that you need to pay for something, you just delete the plugin. You don't need to. We don't need this. You know, you can get a lot of plugins out there that is free, or you can even bolt your own plugin. So if we go and we fill this in and we hit submit, it will send an email to us. And this is now a basic site. You've got your home, you've got your about, and you've got your contact settings. And that is, you know, the basics behind using, you know, and getting your WordPress more organized. And that's normally the strategy that we will follow.